Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how we do basic sauteed mushrooms. We're gonna be using garlic and onions with it. Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna show you a basic recipe for sauteed mushrooms. But first, if you like, we'll appreciate if you subscribe to our YouTube channel or join us on Facebook. Join our YouTube channel, and that will enable us to bring you more ideas and food recipe videos. And Facebook, we have a lot of ideas for you there. You can check us out, and we'll appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna do the sauté mushrooms. And of course, we're gonna write the recipe for you. It's a freehand recipe, basically. We'll just give you ideas how we do it. And of course, watching the video, that will help you understand it a little better. And our written recipe will be either on Facebook, or on our page, or on our YouTube channel. Okay, let's do this. So we're gonna use sliced onions and sliced garlic and the mushroom. We're gonna be slicing the mushrooms. First, we're gonna be sauteing the onion and garlic until they get caramelized. Now we're gonna add the onions. Okay, we're gonna stir fry these until we get some caramelization. All right, here after we get some caramelization, about maybe 5-7 minutes, and now we're gonna be adding the garlic, sliced garlic. Yeah, we add a lot of garlic because we like garlic, and this dish likes garlic. And then we saute it together and we continue caramelization, and that's the garlic will get nicely cooked and caramelized. Okay, after 2-3 minutes, the garlic is nicely cooked and caramelized, and that's what we want right there. So now I'll drain it by doing like that. So I'm gonna move all the garlic and onions to the side, and I'm gonna tilt. See? Okay, so I tilt the onions like that and let it drain of the oil, and we're gonna be using this oil to do the mushroom. So what I do is I put a little bit a cover of a pan and I let it drain. Okay, now I'm slicing the mushrooms. You know, when I buy the mushrooms from the market, they're nice and white and stuff like that. I like to age them a little bit because I think you get a better flavor when the garlic aged a little bit.
Garlic?
I mean mushrooms. Okay. So after the onion and garlic mixture drains out pretty much, as you can see here, I remove it and from the pan, and then I will saute the mushrooms. After I took the caramelized onions and garlic from the pan, now I'm gonna be adding a little bit olive oil to the existing oil and saute the mushrooms. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and then we're gonna be adding the mushrooms. Okay, now we're adding the mushrooms. Okay. Okay, I mix the mushroom with the olive oil, get it all nice and oily, and I let it cook for a while until it release its water. Okay, and now I'm gonna be adding a little bit of salt to help the mushroom release its juices. All right. Okay, now after sauteing the mushroom for 2-3 minutes, it releases its juice, and now we're gonna stop cooking it. And what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna drain it as well as the same way we did with the onion. All right. Okay, so I like to drain the mushroom from the juice and the olive oil. As you can see here, I let it sit there for a while. As you can see, the juice is here, and I put like a cover underneath so to help it drain, because I don't want all this liquid. This liquid, you can use it with other stuff. If you want to make rice or stuff like that, you can use it, but I don't like it mixed with with the onion mixture. Okay, so now the mushroom drained as much as possible. See, as you can see now, I'm gonna be adding it to the onions mixture. Okay, we'll take the mushrooms, put it on top of the onions. Okay. Okay, now after we drain the mushroom and the onions, I put the mixture back in the pan and I mix it together. Okay? Okay, so I mix all this beautiful mixture together now. As you can see here, beautiful stuff. And then what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of salt. Not much, little bit of salt. And pepper. All right, and a little bit of hot pepper, like that, not much. Here we are, and I mix it all together. All right, after I mix everything together, I just shut off the heat and I'll add a little bit of fresh extra virgin olive oil. All right. Okay, so this beautiful dish is ready. Your mushroom and caramelized onion garlic dish. And this is ready for you to add to your pizza if you want, your pasta, over your rice. This is a universal, beautiful concoction. So we're gonna be using it over pasta today. All right. Okay, guys, we'll see you later.